What's happening? Y'all know what that is. Hopefully we're fixing that. Oh, hey, what's up? You decided to come back. So this is exactly what you do when codes come back. Delete. Sheesh. It's probably gonna come back in like an hour, but at least it's gone for now. I looked up the code and I'm like 95% sure it's because of the intake. It's either from just the style intake and design, or it's because one of the hoses moves a lot more now with this intake, so it kind of just triggers it every once in a while. I'm pretty sure with the MHD you could probably disable that code somehow so it doesn't pop up. For sure with the boot mod, I know you can do it. So yeah, it's a good thing. Nothing's actually wrong with the car. It's just a intake hose issue or whatever it is. Car is so quiet, bro. Next week I'm actually gonna be dropping the 340 off at PQ. I'm gonna have them go over everything, flush all the fluids, do the spark plugs, and that's pretty much all I'm gonna tell you guys. I'm not really gonna say much about this car. This is probably gonna be one of the only cars performance wise in the future I'm not really gonna say what I'm doing to it or what's done to it. I want this thing to look how it looks now and just be stupid fast. So it's kind of the goal for it, but I'm gonna keep it on the DL. But yeah, you guys see what we got in the trunk, man. We got the Valvetronic exhaust back there. It is just an axle back because that's all we really need. I'm about to pull up right now to the exhaust shop, and basically all I'm gonna have them do is just chop off the resonators, just straight pipe it on the mid pipe. What is this person doing? Like, it's not a lane, bro. Slapping on the new axle back, and this thing should sound completely different. So super excited for that, because right now the car currently does have a downpipe, but it is on stock exhaust. Like, this thing, it's I can't even tell that it has a downpipe. That's how quiet it is, which is weird because when you go downpipe only on like a Supra, dude, they're actually like pretty loud. Like, it's noticeably loud. You can hear the burbles and everything. But yeah, with this car downpipe stock exhaust, it is extremely quiet. That black, bro, it's so dusty. Damn, I need to get it repainted. That's all bad. For sure need to get that repainted. Finally, we can make some noise though. What's in the box? There it is. Young Valvetronic. So they didn't send me a valve. I believe I'm supposed to just use my OEM one, but it's on the wrong side. Which, nah, I think we should be okay. I have an extension, so I think we'll be alright. Yeah, it should be cool. Yeah, okay. I'm understanding. Yeah, so the extension should be good for this to be over there. They gave me 2 exhaust tips. I think these are black, or the little mini Tomes. What are these ones? I think these are just silver. Oh yeah, we got the Tomes. In my opinion though, I think these are a little too big. I think I'm gonna go with the carbon ones just because they look a little smaller. Cause this is just kind of like, this just might look a little better. I mean, if you see how small, like, look at the difference. Like, nah, bro, this is gonna look crazy. Even this one, low key, kind of big for it, but it'll do. Here is the old one. This thing looks like a gas tank, bro. Crazy. Hopefully this valve still works. Okay, that works. The other one is a little crazy. Thing looking like a drag car right now, no exhaust. Fitment go crazy. All right, guys, all done. It's perfect that we have some more room right here, because obviously I'm going to be getting a carbon diffuser, and that's going to fill in that space. It looks good. Did resonator delete all the way through. Sheesh. Gonna make some sound. Valve is open. Check this thing out. That thing got some money into it. You know it's crazy when you got the mirrors in the hood, bro. Yeah. Alright guys, the valve should be open. Let's see. Definitely making some more noise. Very nice. Oh, so much better, man. We can hear. Do you want the smoke? Confirmed he wants to smoke. Ah, you done messed up, dog. You're not catching me, dog. You ain't gonna catch me, dog. That was no launch either. I want to get a roll with them though. I'll try to keep it fair. I think you're trying to slow down for the roll. We ain't got no space though. Whatever way you get on the freeway, I'll go so we can get that. No! Aw, man. Aw, man. This thing is still not loud, man. And it's literally straight pipe right now. It's like the only way I can make it louder is just no muffler. Ooh, that sun is crazy. Golly, bruh. Oh, we got a Mustang. Let's go catch him. Ah, that good old B58 sound, man. You cannot make a B58 sound bad. GT350? Want the smoke too, sir? Free smoke. B58 mentality. B58s just be having people just bullying everybody, bro. I feel like the car is still so quiet, bro. Yo, yo, yo. Definitely can hear it. Burbles aren't OD. I think they're OEM. Or I don't even know. Do the Gen 1s even have OEM burbles? Gotta love the little B58 queefs.
Days later.
What's happening? What's happening? Welcome back, guys. We hopped back into this video. Yeah, y'all hear them coilovers, bro? These things are done. Fitment look good though. Everybody else can't hear it. These bumps are crazy. As far as the steering wheel, God, I hate these paddles. They're supposed to be making me another one. Hopefully soon we'll have that. I didn't even tell you guys what we're doing. It is about time to put the sub in the 340. The stock stereo system is pretty good, but you know me, man, I need my bass. I have to have my bass. I'm gonna put my W6 back. I was gonna put my Type R12. Yo, what is that? I was gonna put my Type R12 just because I know it hits a little harder. The bass is a little bit louder, but I think I'm just gonna stick with the W610. That thing has been going strong, bro. I've had that 10 in my car when my Z was NA. That's how long ago, bro. That thing has not let me down. Still slaps, and it's like clean bass. It's not like trunk rattling like crazy bass. I got some plans for the interior too. Spice this up a little bit. Definitely got to change this up. I'm not really feeling this blue trim. It's OEM, but I don't really care for it. I don't think they have a replacement piece for this. These guys have been doing my stereos since my G35, bro. Crazy. My boys always hook it up over here. So if you guys are in the area, definitely pull up Stereo City, Ontario. They take care of you. If you mention my name, they might give you like a little discount. They might not. Can't confirm, but it's worth a try. So yeah, man, we're gonna get this sub all hooked up, and we're gonna be slapping when we leave here. The Trooper, guys. No lie, I had this thing for like 6-7 years. Still going hard. Gotta put my covers on so I can have my little fake G80.
Many tic tacs later.
You ain't bumping that new JOP. What are you doing? It's slapping. Once again, man, huge shout out to my boys over here at Stereo City, Ontario. Later, dogs. Finally, man, we got some beat, we got some sound from the exhaust. All I need right now is some different coilovers because I really hate how these ride. That's my inner being. Fucking loud ass paddles. Oh my gosh, bro, these paddles are crazy. Like, people like these? There's people that genuinely like these paddles. And if you guys are wondering why the TPMS light is not there anymore, so this is the only BMW that I've had that doesn't require TPMS sensors. My F87 M2 had wheel sensors, so it was kind of weird. They're only a year apart. But yeah, this one has no wheel sensors. It just goes off of like a flat sensor, I guess. So it only detects if the tire is like pretty much flat or low. So that was cool. Didn't have to get TPMS sensors. I just reset it through the iDrive, and it's been solid. As of right now, I'm pretty happy with the wheel setup. With these specs, there's not a lot of options or choices. I'm just picky, man. I don't really like a lot of wheels. People always tell me like, oh, you should get these, you should get these, you should get these, but I don't even like the wheels. So yeah, I'm real basic, man. If it's not T's, Meisters, or some Advents, I'm like, I don't really care for it. But I definitely want to keep lightweight, like functional wheels on this car. I don't really want to go 3-piece. I was only trying the LMs because I had them, and I just wanted to see if they would work. Damn, op 1, op 2, op 3. As far as the wheels, these might stay for a bit because they're clean, functional, they're light, the spec is perfect. Dang, the Taquachi down. Oh, for sure was that a takeover. Let me look at the rear tire tread. For sure was doing some Edgar activities in this thing. Bro got the no mammies package now. But yeah, man, I'm about to get this food, and most likely we're gonna hop into this video later on.
Little later.
It's finally a little bit cooler, so I figured I would do something in the garage real quick. If you guys remember from the last video, I know it's a little dark, my bad. We have some carbon backs for my seats, since I do have the F80 seats in here. We got one of them here, got the 3M already, and there it is. Very, very clean. If you guys are interested in these are from the Beamer District. Same people I got some of the interior pieces from and the hood. Overall quality on this looks great, and it seems like the fitment is on point too. So let me put this on, get it fitted, and I'll show you guys how it looks. There it is. Sheesh. Honestly, pretty cool, man. For a 340, that's some cool ass interior. I'll take it. All right, guys, we're gonna get you a nice cold start with the new exhaust. Spot, and I'm gonna give you guys some revs so you can hear how the exhaust is sounding from outside the car. I wanted to get you guys some flybys, and I wanted to use my 360 camera, but I'll probably just make it another video. You guys kind of got an idea. Sounds very good. Car looks great. Definitely need to change the caliper color. The blue is just not popping like I want it to. I was gonna go with yellow just to make them pop, but I'm kind of like, I feel like yellow's a little played out. I think I'm just gonna keep it traditional, keep it basic, and just go with red. So you can't really go wrong with black on red calipers. So yeah, why not? Car's coming out nice. The lip is still on there. I'm doing pretty well with it. It's not too bad. It looks good, man. At night, it's clean. I was just playing with this new gimbal I just bought. Not bad, not bad. The seats are hitting. Watch. Ooh. Ooh, okay. Stock wheel ain't looking too bad. Ooh, you see the carbon? Oof. that, ladies and gents, is going to be the end of this video. Hope you guys enjoyed it. I want to give a huge shout out to the guys over at Valvetronic for always having my BMW sound right. This thing sounds great at any RPM, even at idle. It sounds really good. Definitely be sure to drop a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel. You already know we got more content coming. Stay tuned. I'm gonna catch you guys in the next video. I'm out.